How to find moderation list on Bluesky. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps. And on today's tutorial, we will see how we can find moderation list on Bluesky application. So without any further delay, let's jump into this video. First and foremost, launch the Bluesky application and make sure to log into your account. If you have already logged in, you will land in your home page. Now, from this home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on the hamburger icon. Now, from this menu bar, tap on Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down a bit and under Privacy and Security, there is a moderation option. Tap on it. Under Moderation page, under Moderation Tools, there is Moderation List option at the second. Tap on it. So, under this page, you will be able to find all the moderation list if you have in your Bluesky account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.